It just sounds great. It's just so, it's a time capsule. It looks just like that did when in the 90s.
Ready? I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Oh my Lord.
Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, say some things to the people.
Let me say some things. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down. Call us about this Notchback Fox Body Mustang or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also like and subscribe because it helps us, help me, help Chris, help me, help you, help Chris. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool stuff like this. And also, if you want full photo sets of all of these cars, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go look at them on our website at www.fastlanecars.com. But for now, Chris, tell us about this Mustang.
Hey everybody, this is a 1990 Mustang LX 5.0. Has 29,000 original miles on it. It's got the 5-liter obviously with the 5-speed. It's 5-speed.
It is a 5-speed.
Yeah, and they wrote it down as a 4-speed. Anywho, it's got a 5-speed, it's got 29,000 original miles, which I love. Look at the interior, that beautiful cloth and everything that always came with these. This does have different wheels on it. These are 17-inch brushed aluminum wheels that they make. And so it's got a wider stance. It's kind of a lower stance too. Other than that, what a great representation of an older car. Came out the same year I graduated high school, so it's been a while.
Came out 9 years before I was born.
Oh, Jake. Anyway, this is a great car. When it came out, 225 horse. Yeah. You know, nothing major. But
although it doesn't weigh a lot. It actually feels really quick when I drove it a little bit ago. It's in mint condition. I mean, like, everything is just as it was back in 1990. Not a lot of miles. The paint is amazing on this thing.
Paint's amazing.
The trunk's really nice. Do you want to open the trunk real quick for
Let's
the
do
people?
it.
Yeah, it's the circle key. He knows.
Oh, I know.
Look at that. And then if you lift up this little mat here, look at that, we got a spare with a tool.
Oh my gosh, probably the original.
Probably the original, but yeah, the trunk is just really nice.
Oh, it is.
Really well kept.
It's not
And it's actually a sizable truck for a sports car.
For the day,
car,
absolutely.
I guess.
But it's a light one. Doesn't have the skirts on it like the GT, but it was pretty sought after, I remember, because it was cheaper than the GT.
Oh yeah.
It was cool. I love them.
You ready to drive it?
Oh, you're damn right I am. I'm so excited about it.
Hello.
Look what we have.
This thing sounds awesome.
It looks awesome and sounds
And we have
awesome.
real seatbelts.
For real people.
Let me grab mine.
Yeah, and it's, they're very nice. Everything is so clean in this car. Interior is grand.
I can move my mic so it's not in my neck. There we go. Oh, look, we have little like pockets on the doors.
We do.
That are leather and electric windows. Look at that. Electric power windows and power locks. This thing's kitted out, man.
Let me ask you something. Does it have... we just move these mirrors?
The mirrors are right here.
Oh, cool.
They're right here in the middle, and they are electric, so...
Electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie.
Woogie, woogie, woogie. Very nice. We have a lot of buttons on the steering wheel, too.
A lot of them. So this is the first year of the airbag. Nice horn.
Nice.
Nice cruise control stuff.
Oh, that's cruise control. That's what that is. Nice AC. You know what this dash reminds me of?
Tell me.
My 1988 Honda Prelude. Oh, it's flat, and they have these like little indented cubbies all over the top. That's a very 80s, late 80s, early 90s thing, I think.
So what we should do is have a drinking contest for every time you say my 88 Prelude. I would be drunk by now.
You would.
This is a nice car.
Right here in the middle, AC controls.
Gotta love that.
All physical buttons. There's no screens in the 1990 Mustang.
No.
The 2024 Mustang is all screens. I like it this way better.
Oh, look at this Dodge Ram. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, he's flying.
He is flying. low.
It is lowered.
But no screens in here. All right, I think you're good now. And then below the AC controls is your radio.
Oh, the radio.
The radio. You got a cassette player in this thing too.
Yeah, do you have
Because
a cassette to put in?
1990. I do not have a cassette to put in it right now.
We have 8 tracks, we have albums, no cassette.
There is no center console really. There's no like openable center console. You have like some indented cubby holes here, a cigarette lighter right there in case you want to take up smoking, but don't smoke, kids.
Don't do it.
Smoke tires, not cigarettes. Oh look, they're putting mulch down on our roundabout.
On a roundabout.
Very nice.
Let's get around here and not hurt anybody.
Get around them. We have a nice dashboard as well. No cracks on anything.
It was baby.
And
There's
another
no
thing that reminds me of my 1988 Honda Prelude is this little dash area with the buttons on either side.
I do love
My
this.
Prelude has that too.
Everything's close.
Must be another early 90s thing. But look at the gauges. Very cool. We got an RPM gauge. Yep, 29,000 miles. That's it.
That's pretty incredible.
It is really incredible. For a car this old, oh, you want to know what that is?
I do. Is that a mirror? Oh,
It's
it is
a map
light.
And
Shut
you can swing it around, and then it just clips up there into place.
Wow, it is tight. It is really tight.
The steering's really tight.
Wow.
I mean, it feels like what you would get if you were to have bought this car in 1990. Like, this was very well preserved vehicle.
It's a time capsule.
It is. It really
about
is.
1,500 horse, or 1,500 RPMs and around
1,500 horse.
Yeah, I'm like, holy cow, no, 225, but yeah, it's in 5th gear, going about 50, it's 1,500.
It's a nice cruiser. We got battery voltage that's charging, water temp is just starting to move. We did do a cold start. It's been sitting out a while. We like to do cold starts so you guys know that it's going to run when it's cold.
Absolutely.
Got a big black hood out in front of us too. The paint on this thing is like mirror finish too.
It's incredible.
It's awesome. Nice headliner,
Very
foamy.
nice. Oh, look.
Dome light here in the middle. Oh,
and look, it's still got stuff.
It's got the airbag stuff. Oh, it's got mirrors back there.
It
and lights.
does, and lights. I think you would have it too.
Probably. Oh, look at that. Lights and mirrors. Very nice.
Nice car.
Very
Real
nice car. And we have back seats for half people. Children, maybe.
Yeah, kids would be great in the back of this car.
Yeah.
That would be nice.
Not the most leg room in the world, but groceries, perfect.
For sure.
That's all I use the back seat in my Prelude for. This is your 3rd drink of the video.
This is your 3rd drink, folks.
I don't actually put people back there, just groceries.
Boy, it's a nice car. Nice running car.
And it's a 5-speed. What more do you want?
I don't think you want anything else. I mean, this is everything I wanted. Black on black.
A V8 with a manual transmission is the perfect combination for a muscle car.
And a nice LX. I love the LXs.
And I like the notchback version of the Fox body the most.
Very
It
much
has
so.
the good front end without the 4 eyes. I like the 4 eye Fox bodies, but this one looks cleaner, and the notchback I just think is perfect.
Perfect. This car is perfect.
Here's our stop sign. You know what that means?
Oh, I do. But
Bit
it's
of
a
the
mini
bean
one.
test.
It's a mini one.
A mini one. All right. 2nd gear action. Let's see it. Oh, wow. 3rd gear action. Oh, goodness.
Oh, wow. This really cooks.
Do you know how much torque this thing made?
Yeah, it's like over 200.
I think it's almost 300.
Yeah, it's torquey. It's a nice car. Pulls real nice. This transmission's like new.
Like I know, it's
I've
butter.
driven this car.
And
how do you not drive a car like this?
For a car that doesn't weigh very much, it has plenty. 225 horsepower and that much torque, it's plenty.
Plenty. Well, it's the 1990s. It was starting to come back. Oh,
yeah.
That guy's got a flat tire.
We were recovering from the oil crisis.
Yeah, we were. Yeah, we were. We'll take it on the street, or you want to do it in here?
We'll do it on the street.
Good.
We'll stop up here by this gate. How about
Absolutely.
that? All right. I'm excited for flybys.
I'm excited too. It's so sleek looking. I really love it.
All right, are you ready?
I am.
Let's do it.
Love the e-brake. And there he goes. In the 1990 Fox Body LX Notchback Mustang. Sounds great. Sounds fantastic. Looks fantastic. The 90s weren't all bad. Well, there's another 1990 Corvette. Very nice. Very nice. And now he's approaching the road. Wow. That just sounds great. It's just so, it's a time capsule. It looks just like that did when in the 90s. You don't see many of them like that. I have a neighbor who's got a white one. Really nice, but it's got that spoiler. Hate the spoilers. That's me. But that non-spoiler notchback, it's perfect for me. I just love that car. Oof, maybe I should buy it. But I'll tell you, if I were gonna buy a car, I would get that one. And I don't say that often. In fact, I don't say it at all. That's the one. The boy's driving it. Let's go, boy. God, it's suiting, man. Whew, and it sounds fantastic. Ooh, I love that car. Ooh, there's G-Wagon. Hey, G.
How did it sound?
It sounded great, and it is a pretty, real pretty car.
You know what I like about this car? It's got enough power to be fast, but not enough power to be real scary.
No,
Like you can pretty much punch it in any gear at any speed, and it's just gonna hook and go, and I like it. And plus, you look great doing it, because it's a black notchback Mustang.
Beautiful. The stance on it's wonderful.
Oh, it's awesome. I kind of want it, to be honest.
I do too, badly.
You're gonna drive it back?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.